Hello friends, welcome to this channel Living Well. My name is OKS and I welcome you to another brand new video on how to cure premature ejaculation. If you have been wondering on how to cure premature ejaculation, I say congratulations to you, because at the end of this video you are going to thank me. Just to make sure you watch this video to the end. But before passing on the recipe, I ask you to like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to other people that are also suffering from this premature ejaculation. With that being said, let us get straight into how to make this homemade remedy. Guys, this recipe will work for you. I confirmed it, but it is not the ultimate cure for premature ejaculation. I say again, guys, this is not the ultimate cure for premature ejaculation, but it will make you last longer in bed beyond your imagination. So guys, the ingredients for this recipe are coffee and olive oil. I say again, the ingredients that we're going to use are coffee and olive oil. To make this remedy, to make this recipe, do the following. Step 1, put a tablespoon of olive oil in a container. Step 2, squeeze half lemon into it and mix very well. Step 3, after mixing it together very well, make sure you drink it every day, and within 14 days you will see a huge change in your sexual life. So friends, I hope this recipe will work for you and it will help you last longer in bed. But remember that it is not the ultimate cure for premature ejaculation. So guys, but it will boost you, it will boost your immune system, it will help you to get more power in bed. But guys, I ask you to like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to other people that are also suffering from premature ejaculation. So guys, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you get notified whenever we release a new video. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.